90% of the population has some kind of dental problem.
And the bigger problem is,
People don't realize that the mouth is connected to the body.
You know, I haven't had my teeth cleaned in like 13 or 14 years.
losing teeth is about the worst Edwin Bryant thought could happen. His reasoning? If you brush and floss regularly, who needs a dentist picking and drilling around inside your head?
No, it's like stay away from them as long as I can.
They have problems, but then they hope they go away.
Most times they don't. They get worse, much worse.
And the problem right now is that people don't realize how serious dental infections can be.
Or they simply don't have the money to get help, like this 24-year-old,
Let's keep that vibe going.
a nephew of funk music legend Bootsy Collins.
You know, we don't want this to happen again.
Out of work and too proud to ask for money, Kyle Willis was treated for a painful abscess twice at a local hospital, but he could only afford to fill one prescription. He got the painkiller, not the antibiotic. And a couple of days later, the infection spread to Willis's brain. His toothache ended up killing him.
He had to make a choice between being out of pain or taking care of the infection.
He's not the only one these days.
No, he's not.
My situation, I didn't think I could die. I could die from being in pain and agony.
But for him to suffer for 11 weeks, I mean, a lot of other things could have happened.
Yes, 11 weeks and barely able to eat.
Something sweet, and it gets caught up in there, hot, cold.
And he was just very fortunate that the abscess was draining back out through the tooth.
And lucky his wife insisted Edwin forget the cost and go for help.
Is that better up there when I press here?
She made the emergency call to Dr. Everett Coleman.
Yeah, the swelling is down. At least you can eat now?
Dr. Coleman showed us how Edwin's infection is like so many others.
Because a tooth looks normal does not necessarily mean that it's fine.
Decay between teeth festering long before you even feel a twinge.
And it's about ready to infect the nerve here.
He says injuries can set off hidden danger, from something as simple as a baby accidentally whacking mom in the mouth to playing sports.
You know, if it stays in the mouth or drains into a lymph node, that's when you start seeing the problem.
I got in here quick.
James Bundick still enjoys playing ball, but he never plays around with his teeth or the abscess he developed.
Yeah, it's good to see you today.
The treatment mostly not covered by his retirement plan.
Don't let it linger. Don't let it linger. Build up in your mouth is the worst thing that you can do.
Unfortunately, it was so long that we're not going to be able to do a root canal on this. We're going to have to lose that.
Edwin will lose his tooth, but he knows he dodged a bullet this time.
I'll be here, you know. I'll be coming to getting them clean.
We can find problems earlier, and it's less expensive to take care of with a filling as opposed to an extraction or a root canal or what have you.